Change MacOS X guest screen resolution for VirtualBox. I have tried all alternatives and resources that I found on internet to change screen resolution in my macOS X guest. I have the latest VirtualBox version, the 4th of January 2022, and I have macOS X 10.6.3 Snow Leopard running in a VM guest. Some solutions that don't work for me are tuning virtual machine settings, adding an in the VBox file, or running these two commands. Editing guest OS boot configuration. Modify/library/preferences/system configuration/com.apple.boot.plist with these lines. Any other suggestion, something that I was missing? Thanks in advance.
I am using VirtualBox under Ubuntu Linux, and a macOS X, Mountain Lion, as guest OS. For me, the full resolution started working when I did all of the following. 0. Install MultiBeast 4, making sure that the system boots from the virtual hard disk rather than from any booting CD. I followed the instructions here. This URL. However, at the end of the procedure I did not have the full resolution, which for me must be 1920 by 1080 by 32. 1. In the virtual machine, edit these plist files. Sudo pico/extra/com.apple.boot.plist/library/preferences/system-configuration/com.apple.boot.plist. In this file, inside, and lt, dict and gt, ... and lt /dict and gt, insert. Sudo pico/extra/com.chameleon.boot.plist. In this file, inside, and lt, dict and gt, ... and lt /dict and gt, insert. I noticed that I already had some kernel flags, so I just added another one for graphics mode. Also note that graphics mode has a space inside it. 2. Shut down the virtual machine and do the commands. After this, the virtual machine boots with full resolution. Now, this might be overkill, and the result could be achieved perhaps with fewer options, but I tried various things until it started working.
Did the trick for me on High Sierra.
For the record, I found this advice that allowed me to change the resolution. Where the last param is 1 of. I'm running VBox 5.0.14 on OS X 10.9, host, and the guest is OS X 10.11.
I followed it Winitsky and these are the steps I did. I want to set the resolution to 1920 by 1080, change yours accordingly. Backup files before editing. Sudo vi/extra/com.chameleon.boot.plist. Add the following inside an lt, dict and gt semicolon and lt semicolon /dict and gt. Update the value for kernel flags, key width. final should have the following 4 lines. Note some extra data and kernel flags. Keep them as is. Shut down VM. Update VirtualBox config. My VM name is Mac.
If you want the support featuring, be as you can see your subscriber.